You've been thinking about starting a business and wondering, should you go ahead? Should you do it? Well, in this video, I'm going to be giving you some reasons why you should start a business. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your business. If that's something that you're interested, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build your business. One of the reasons why you should start a business, it helps you to get out of that rat race and get out of that 9 to 5 job, right? I know most people want to get out of their job. So one way to do that is to start your own business, and then you'll be able to have control of your own time and be able to make the decisions that you want in your own business. So those are really good reasons why you should start a business. The other reason why you should start a business is that it gives you that opportunity for you to chase your passion, to do something that you're more passionate about, right? And when you're able to do the thing that you're more passionate about, you're able to have some meaning and purpose in your life. So a business will help you with that if you choose the right business to do. Another reason is a business will be able to help you lower your taxes at the end of the year, right? So think of it, if you're an employee, you're taxed differently. And if you have a business, you're taxed differently. And with a business, you're able to write off some of the expenses that you normally use and be able to reduce the amount of tax that you pay by using those write-offs to reduce that. So when you have a business, you're able to reduce your taxes using those write-offs. And you're in a different tax bracket depending on what kind of business that you are running, right? And if you're someone who likes some form of adventure, starting a business is a good way to, embark on that adventure, because there's so many things that you have to learn. You end up learning a lot of new skills when you start a business, because especially at the beginning, probably going to be a one-man show, right? So you're going to be probably having to do everything in the business as you start off, right? So you're going to learn things like marketing, you're going to learn things like sales, you're going to learn things like production, everything that you might think of in terms of your business, depending on the business that you choose, right? You end up learning all these new skills, and it's exciting. It's an adventure because you're learning new things every time. So a business is able to help you that if you're someone who's looking into something new, something exciting, and doesn't mind learning new skills, that will help you with that if you start a business. Another reason to start a business is that it's going to give you another source of income, right? And you'll be able to make money eventually after you have scaled your business, right? You'll be able to make money. And there's no ceiling in terms of how much you can make when it comes to business. You can make as much as you want, right? But at the beginning, you might be grinding and reinvesting all that money as you grow it up. But eventually down the line, that's something that a business can provide you with, that, right? That increase in income. And with that, that brings you another good reason to start a business, which is freedom. You'll be able to then do whatever you want, whenever you want, and how you want to do it. But at the beginning, I just want to clarify this, because most people think that right away they're going to have this freedom. At the beginning, you might not have that kind of freedom, right? It might be a different kind of freedom that you get to determine how you're going to work and the hours you're going to be working. But you're going to be putting a lot of work in the beginning to build up that business, right? So it's not going to be at the beginning where you're going to get the freedom, like, I'm not going to be working, I'm going to all this stuff. You have to build your business and then be able to hire people to replace you in that business. But it takes some time. But once you get to that stage, you'll get that freedom. So you have to just hang in there and keep grinding and grow your business, and you'll be able to get that freedom at the end. And as you do that, as you grow your business, you and scaling it out, you're also going to be able to create jobs. You create jobs for other people. In turn, you'll be able to help the community, help other people by providing jobs. So that's another reason to start a business. And nowadays, with internet, you can leverage the internet to grow your business even more. So there's more reason now to start. The internet makes it much easier for you to start a business. So don't wait any longer. You take advantage of this and use all the resources that you can get to start your own business. And if you need any help, always reach out to people to help you out to build your business. So don't wait any longer. If you're thinking about starting a business, these are really good reasons for you to start a business. So don't wait anymore. It's time to build your business so that you can enjoy all the benefits that comes with having your own business. I hope this has been useful for you guys. Make sure you share with others that might need to hear some of these reasons so that they get to start their own business as well. And if you found value in the video, make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this if you haven't done so yet. And for now, stay strong, stay positive, and continue building the business that you love. And I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.